Understanding Wireless Security, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very important and relevant topic for all of us living in the digital age: wireless security. Whether you're connecting to the internet on your phone, laptop, or any other device, understanding how to protect your information is crucial. So, let's explore what wireless security means and why it's so important for you. Wireless security refers to the prevention of unauthorized access or damage to computers using wireless networks. Nowadays, most of us use Wi-Fi, which is a form of wireless networking technology. However, just like locking your doors at home, securing your wireless network is essential to protect your personal information from unauthorized users. In this digital era, almost everything we do online can be a potential target for hackers. From personal emails and social media accounts to online banking, everything requires protection. Without proper security measures, your personal and financial information can be at risk. Wireless security helps in protecting your data integrity, preventing identity theft, and ensuring your online activities remain private. 1. Encryption. This is like translating your data into a secret code. Only someone with the right key can understand it. Think of it as sending a letter in a sealed envelope instead of a postcard. 2. Authentication. This process verifies if someone or something is, in fact, who or what it is declared to be. In wireless networks, this helps ensure that only authorized devices can connect. 3. Network security protocols. These are rules and configurations designed to protect the integrity, confidentiality, and accessibility of computer networks and data using both software and hardware technologies. Common protocols include WEP, WPA, and WPA2, with WPA3 being the latest and most secure. Use strong passwords. Make them long, unique, and complex. Update regularly. Keep your devices and network firmware updated to protect against the latest threats. Enable network encryption. Choose WPA3 if available. Turn off network name broadcasting. Make your network invisible to casual scanners. Install a firewall. This acts as a barrier between your network and the internet, monitoring incoming and outgoing traffic. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of wireless security and how you can protect yourself and your data online. Remember, taking a few simple steps can significantly enhance your security and give you peace of mind while navigating the digital world. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online. Feel free to adapt this template to fit your video style and audience. Highlighting key terms and providing clear, concise explanations can make complex topics like wireless security accessible to English language learners.